Here's the latest on xtalks.com. Hardly a day goes by without some aspect of our lives being affected by artificial intelligence, machine learning, or automation. These advanced technologies are being adopted into all industries, from the life sciences to agriculture. But what will companies have to do to embrace change and leverage the power of these transformative technologies? Hello, I'm Candice Tang, life sciences journalist and webinar moderator for xtalks.com, and welcome to this edition of X-Talks Vitals. Our featured webinar for this episode is Metadata-Driven Approach for Clinical Data Lakes. Click the link in the description below to register for this free webinar. To learn more about the impacts of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and automation on the life sciences industry and economy, X-Talks attended the 10th Annual Policy Forum hosted by the Toronto-based nonprofit Life Sciences Ontario. A number of esteemed panelists shared their take on how companies should rethink their strategy when it comes to hiring the right people to fill specialized tech roles. We spoke to Shelley Epstein, Vice President of Corporate and Public Affairs at Imagia, who thinks pharma and biotech companies will need to step outside their comfort zone.
So that's a great question, and I think that the time has come that pharma and biotech and the industry in general is really going to have to start tapping into a different skill set and break outside of the industry, be open to diversity in terms of talent, and really look outside the sandbox. So in particular, start thinking about dual domain expertise, not only on the healthcare side, but also look for people and individuals with technical skills.
Targeting tech-savvy individuals will help healthcare companies create innovative tools like Evidence, Imagia's digital collaborative platform that enables AI-driven research and other medical discoveries. But life science companies face a key challenge. Where and how can they attract the right kind of talent? The University of Guelph's Vice President of Research, Malcolm Campbell, said the key is to partner with academic institutions.
I think a great opportunity there that aids in adoption is working together with partners like academic institutions that can help de-risk that adoption.
Dr. Campbell says that post-secondary education institutions are in the business of creating the human resources that companies are going to need to hire.
Life sciences jobs in the future are engineering jobs. They are computing jobs or IT jobs. They are biologist jobs. They are also jobs that require, I believe, incredible skills that are derived from the social sciences, marketing, and indeed marketing analytics and how that is brought to bear to make sure that we're delivering the right products to consumers. These are all things that require a completely new set of skill sets that we haven't been preparing a labor force for. So how is it that companies prepare themselves to bring that labor on board? Work really closely with the education community that's filling the pipeline that is eventually going to people their companies.
While it may take some time for life sciences companies to adapt to an increasingly digital world, these novel technologies are expected to take research and discovery to new heights. Subscribe to the X-Talks YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below, and visit xtalks.com for more information on this story and our featured life science webinar for this episode. Metadata-Driven Approach for Clinical Data Lakes. Click the link in the description below to register for this free webinar.